joining my channel. I'm Juan, lead trader and founder of ProsperiTrade, where we discuss everything trading and investing related. On this channel, we go over options, we go over swing trades, long-term investments, we do our due diligence on stocks, education, everything trading and investing related. So please enjoy our services and listen to what some other YouTubers have to say about our channel.
Now, the first trade that I want to bring up, and this was posted on the Discord, and he actually has a YouTube channel that I highly recommend checking out. Whenever you're done watching this video, or right now, I don't care, go down to the video description, click the link to his channel, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. His name is Juan, and he's the founder of ProsperiTrade. And on our channel, on our Discord, he provided us due diligence on ticker BLRX in early April. And if we take a look at the stock and how much it has performed over the last month, you are going to be shocked because the gains are massive. Yesterday alone, the stock shot up over 50%. And over the last month, the stock is up over 70%. So shout out to Juan at ProsperiTrade. Thank you for sharing your due diligence with the community, and I highly recommend to all the viewers of this video subscribing and ringing the notification bell to ProsperiTrade. A link is provided down below.